Yo, what's up everybody? How you doing? Vlog number 2. Well, today me and Yan June, we've decided to start making videos on a weekly basis. That means every week we'll make sure to drop a new video. And therefore, I've been editing videos and music videos for a while, so I know it's really hard work, and I've realized that I don't have a real or a good chair to sit on while editing videos. Sometimes, like when I edit videos, when I'm done, I feel like I have a really bad back pain, and you know, health is priority. So therefore, we've decided to go to Ikea and check like desks and chairs and to pick one, and we'll take you with us there today. Yeah, let's see you. So we just made it to Ikea. We're gonna go there to check some desks and some comfortable chairs for my back and for your back as well, because you're gonna be editing as well. And we'll show you around. Well, actually we just left Ikea, so I've checked on a website that sells used stuff, and I found a pretty good deal, which is a desk with a really nice chair. So probably we gotta check it now.
Where is it?
In Marina. It's in Marina. Okay, we'll show you the table, we'll show you the desk and the chair if we get it. Are you excited? Are you excited, babes?
Alright.